The purpose of the AC condenser is to cool down the hot refrigerant gas and turn it into a liquid. You'll typically find the AC condenser towards the front of the car, right in front of the radiator. So the first and most obvious symptom you might notice is the AC blowing warm air. This can happen because the fins in the condenser have accumulated dirt or debris. In a worse scenario, the fins could be bent. When this happens, the air won't be able to flow through the fins properly, resulting in the condenser not being able to get rid of heat as it should. Additionally, warm air could be the result of a leaking condenser, making it our second symptom. If the condenser tubes wear out or get damaged, the refrigerant could escape. It's best to perform a visual inspection to detect any signs of leakage. Sometimes it might be hard to spot leaks, so I'll leave a great leak detector in the description below. Now guys, replacing the AC condenser or other car components can be overwhelming. That's why I highly recommend using a dependable car repair manual like ALLDATA. They offer over 30,000 vehicle repair manuals covering model years from 1982 to 2023, customized to your specific vehicle's year, make, model, and engine. You'll gain access to trouble codes, service tables, TSBs, electrical diagrams, specifications, maintenance, and much more. So check out the link and the discount code in the description below. Thanks to ALLDATA for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get back to it. To figure out if you have a clogged condenser, you'll need an AC manifold gauge. Now according to ALLDATA, if you get a high reading on the high pressure side and a normal to high reading on the low pressure side, it could be caused by a faulty condenser. Make sure to look into your repair manual to see the correct PSI ranges for your specific vehicle. Now the AC condenser isn't the only thing that could cause problems with your AC system, this part right here can too.